course, when we pull the ceiling down, it kind of makes a bit of a mess. Bubble bath time. All right, we're here, day one, turning these coal into diamonds. All right, we're down. We got to take the walls out, take the ceilings down. Got to break things down before you can build them back up. You had to bring the ceiling down because it had basically that concrete type of ceiling. It was cracking, so it's a little dangerous. So we got to pull it down. Of course, when you pull the ceiling down, it kind of makes a bit of a mess. Bubble bath time. So if you want to take your real estate business to that next level, reach out, give me a call, send me a text, or schedule a confidential strategy session.